open the TutorASRumale channel, you will see right now I'm having 250 subscribers. Thank you very much to all these 250 people who actually subscribe my channel. Okay, and those who are viewing this, kindly subscribe this just by clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, you get the subscribe and then the bell icon. Click on the bell icon so that you can get all notifications. You can select accordingly. Okay, also ask all of your friends to subscribing and also forward the information about TutorASRumale to the groups, WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, or your student groups or friends groups who are interested in learning the new technologies on the computer science and engineering. Hello, I'm Dr. Aniruddha Suvarnaprabha Subhash Chandra Ramale, right now working as an associate professor and HOD at GHRCM Wagadi Pune in computer department. This video is about the innovative teaching learning practices that we are using at GHRCM. Actually, I'm having this my YouTube channel, TutorASRumale, and through this YouTube channel, I'm actually uploaded many videos. But one day, this came into my mind. Why not to upload the presentations recording of the students? So what I did for machine learning, I especially have given these topics to the third year students where to the class which I am teaching this machine learning right now, and these are the topics that I have given. There are total 75 students, and ask them uh, to create the presentation, that is student must create presentation on the listed topic and record it using OBS Studio or Microsoft Expression. The recorded video must be uploaded to Google Classroom that we are having on title page of presentation. So few of the students who comply with this presentation video creation, they actually uh, uploaded this video on the Google Classroom and somehow given those videos to me directly on the pen drive. So what I decided after seeing this video to combine all those video into one video and upload them for what we call as evaluation to the world. So maybe because the videos are actually recorded by the students many times what does they create this presentation in hurry, and sometimes they may not use the proper English because some students have used Hindi and Marathi language also while explaining the machine learning. My request is to all of you that you kindly evaluate the content of each video of the student and kindly give some comments on it. Okay, your comments, whether positive or negative, okay, are always welcome. Just don't. That's what I require. And instantly, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel TutorASRumale. I myself are going to upload the complete tutorial on machine learning. Right now, we are very busy in MBA process of the department, so I'm not getting sufficient time to create a thorough video on machine learning. So maybe in the month of April and onwards, I will upload the entire machine learning course on TutorASRumale. Till then, I'm requesting you to subscribe my YouTube channel TutorASRumale, evaluate my students' presentation, and if there is anything wrong in presentation, anything, some small mistakes or something, kindly point out them. If there is something good in the presentation, kindly point out them. Okay, so here are the presentations given by the students. Okay, none of these presentations are actually of mine. Every presentation have the student's name, his photograph, and something like that. Okay, and all those are, I just combine this with this video. Thank you very much for visiting TutorASRumale. And once again requesting all of you to subscribe it, share it, and Don't forget to click on the bell icon for new videos. Thank you very much.
Everyone, I am Samiksha Suryavanshi and I am giving presentation on K-means clustering. How the K-mean clustering working algorithm works. First start, number the clustering, centralize distance of object, group base minimum distance. K-means clustering algorithm is an algorithm for clustering an objects based on attributes into the K participation where K is less than n. It is similar to expectation maximum algorithm for mixture of they both them to find the center of natural clustering data. It assumes that the object attributes from vector space. A real life numerical example. Just take an example of 4 medicines as a training data point. Each of the medicine has 2 attributes. For example given below. Comment on K-means method. Strength, relative efficiency. Kt is less than n. Weakness of the algorithm is application only means as defined that about the categorical data. Need of specification. Clustering advanced unable to handle noisy data. Not suitable for the clustering. K means clustering. Alternatively, conclusion. K means algorithm is useful to indirect knowledge discovery and relatively simple. K means is found as wide and unknown to find the field, ranging from unsupervised learning of natural work, pattern classification analysis, artificial intelligence, image processing, machine learning, and many others. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Pragati Gaikwad. My topic is agglomerative clustering, hierarchical clustering, class algorithm, methods of data mining program, data science, University Spines, University of Roma, semester fall 2015 lecture, Cariclos Costello, sources, Mohammad J. Zakir, Manager Media, Data Mining and Analysis. Fundamental Concept and Algorithm, Cambridge University Press, May 2014. Enema TZ Data Mining course at Boston University. Strength of hierarchical clustering. No assumption on the number of cluster. Any desired number of cluster can be obtained by the cutting the below diagram at the proper level. Hierarchical clustering may correspond to meaningfully taxonomizing. Example of biological science. Example physiologically reconstruction, etc. Web product catalogs. Algorithms. Too many types of hierarchical clustering. Algorithmic. Start the width of the point individual cluster. At each step merge and cluster pair of cluster unit until only one cluster or cluster left. Divisor. Start with the one all includes cluster or each step split a cluster until each cluster contains a pointer. There are clusters. Algorithmic clustering algorithm. Most popular hierarchical clustering techniques. Basic algorithm. Computer the distance of matrix between the input data points. Let each data point of a cluster repeat. Merge the two clusters. Update the distance matrix unit. Only a single cluster remains. Key operation is the computation of the distance between two clusters. Different definition of the distance between clusters. Read to different algorithm. Thank you.
Good afternoon friends. Today I am going to tell about dimensional. My name is Komal Maruti Srirame from 3rd year. First of all, plan of a presentation, introduction, how, basic idea and example, and why bother and advantage. First of all, introduction, statistical method that provide the information about the points scatters in a multivariate space. Factor analytical method, Simply complex relationship between cases and variable makes it easier to recognize pattern. And then how? Identify and describe the dimensions that underlying the input data may be more fundamental. Those directly measure and it hidden from you. Reduce the dimensionality of the research problem. Benefit simplification. Reduce the number of variables you have to worry about. Identify sets of variables with a similar behavior. And then basic idea. Image points scattered in a multiple variable space. The specific values of the number used to describe the variable don't matter. We can do anything we want to be the numbers are provided. They don't distort the spectacle that exists among cases. Some kind of a multiplication helps us think about the shape of the scatter in a more productive way. Example. These are example y-axis and x-axis and then orthogonal regression. And his second example, why bother? More efficient description. First were capture max variance, second capture the maximum amount of variance. The first were may capture to so much of the information contained in the original data set. Advantage. You can score original cases in new space and plot them rival relationships that were hidden in a higher dimension space may reveal subset of variables based on the collection of basic ideas derived from method of contextual analysis more suited for analysis of categorical data counts presence absence data possibly better to use PCA for a continuous but CA makes no assumption about the distribution of input variation simplest R&Q mode analysis two sets of Ignition and Ignitor C-axis angular PCA component input data is calculated at both Ignitors of a very comparable space can reasonably compare both variable and cases in the same plot DFS groups 1 each subsequent function is ordinal to the last reflect how much work each function does in a